Good morning. It is July 1st, 2023. It's Saturday. So at close of business yesterday, my options would expire if not exercised. And all 29 $4 call contracts were exercised. So I'm all back to cash. And the transaction set, which is my construct, helps me organize in my mind how well or not I'm doing in this business, because it's so fluid and ongoing. It's not like buying a stock and selling the stock and then see if you made any profit or not. This is an ongoing situation. That produces revenue, which I can withdraw parts of it and still maintain a good revenue stream. So in this case, I had all 29 $4 call contracts exercised. And so I'm placing a new order for $5 puts. As you will see in the sequence that follows, I was able to place 28 $5 put contracts. So that's one less contract than I was able to write last week. However, the revenue stream is still very good. As the price of the stock goes up, my account value increases, but the amount of cash it'll throw off decreases somewhat. And that's fine. That's the beauty part about selling a contract short. I get the revenue, and in theory, at least, all my capital losses are unrealized. As the price of stock goes up, more of those losses will be realized, but I've accumulated all this revenue in the meantime. For example, as you will see, I'm going to be placing 28, in order to sell 28 $5 HPI put contracts. And it's producing over $1,100 in revenue for the week. Now, I should hasten to add, I have no faith in whatever's going on, whether you call it a rally or not. I don't think the big run-up in the stock lately has really taken into account the true condition of the economy. But time will tell. One disadvantage I have doing this as being retired, I'm not in the workplace anymore, so I don't get to talk to other people who are working to make a living. And that might give me a better picture of how the economy is really doing for the average person. You got to remember, it's the average person that drives the economy. It's not the billionaires that drive the economy. I mean, how many loaves of bread can they buy and consume? And I don't care how many jet planes they own. I don't own any. So they're not competing with me in the marketplace, and I've not run into any billionaire at Walmart. So those are two distinct. We're two distinct classes. I'm not going to get much into that, but at any rate, I'm happy with how that week went, because a lot of revenue was produced in that transaction set, which more than made up for any capital losses, real or realized or unrealized. So I'm happy with that. My account value grew a little bit and my revenue stream continues strong. Now, what will hurt is if I'm right about this being a false rally, it could drop back down to the high $3 range, $3.90, $3.80. But here again, remember, since I'm selling short, that actually benefits me. So, but it's counterintuitive. I would see my account value drop, my revenue stream would continue, and I could cover more contracts, which means that's a good time to withdraw money. If you're not selling short, you don't withdraw money while the stock market's down. You want to withdraw it when it's up so that you can take some profit off the table. But here I'm looking for the revenue stream, and when the price of the stock goes down, that is, replacement cost of the stock goes down, I can produce a good revenue stream even by taking $1,000, $2,000, whatever, off the table and spending it if I need it. Okay, I think that's got it. If there's any more, I'll add it in another video clip, or another take, if you will, and put it together in this video. So it's going to be a short week next week because of 4th of July. I'm surprised, really, that I will be surprised if the 40-cent ask on my order it's filled at that price. We'll see. And if it's not, then I'm going to have to adjust either by leaping over Friday and going to the next week to maintain the revenue stream I need. But remember, when I do that, then I have to divide whatever premium I receive by 2 to see what my weekly revenue stream is. Okay. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you like a particular video, hit like. Thank you so much.